Hey guys, in this video we're in chapter 7 on trigonometric identities and equations, and we're working through section 5 on solving trigonometric equations. And we're doing problem 7 in this video, which says find all solutions exactly on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. And we're given 2 cosine of theta equals negative square root of 2. So what we want to do here is we want to solve for this cosine of theta, because that will allow us to look at what the value of cosine of that theta is. And if it's a value that is going to be on our unit circle, we can jump straight to what our theta is going to be. So we solve, we have cosine of theta, and we divide both sides by 2. So we're going to get negative root 2 divided by 2 is going to be our cosine of theta. And we know from the unit circle that we get values of root 2 over 2 for cosine theta whenever we're at one of these intervals of pi over 4. Now, when is cosine going to be negative at pi over 4? So here we've got pi over 4. This is pi over 2. This is 3 pi over 4. Here we've got 5 pi over 4. And here we have 7 pi over 4. And this is all from your unit circle. And we know that cosine, the coordinates of each point on the unit circle of these is going to be cosine of theta, comma sine of theta, where cosine is going to be the x-coordinate. So whenever we have a negative, we're going to be to the left on the negative x-axis. So we know that pi over 4 is not an option, nor is 7 pi over 4. And so we have cosine theta equals negative root 2 over 2 whenever theta is 3 pi over 4 or 5 pi over 4. So we want to find all solutions exactly on this interval. Well, we'll have theta equals 3 pi over 4, and we'll have theta equals 5 pi over 4. And those are our answers. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts we covered in this video are true no matter what pre-calculus class you take, and the examples I cover are from this textbook right here. And remember, if you're a Baylor student currently enrolled, there is free tutoring on the first floor of Sid Rich. You can create a one-on-one appointment online or drop in anytime during our business hours. Please visit our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring, for more details. Sic 'em Bears.